Have you ever had the thought that I wish my grandpa had taught me all the things he knew about tools and woodworking and just life in general? I have. I'm Tim from Highwheel Woodworks. What we're doing is we're going to start a series where I'm going to take the things that I wish I had learned from my grandpa and I'm going to teach them to my grandson Benjamin. He's just turned 8 years old, and I had this thought before he was even born that what I would do for Christmas and birthdays and special occasions is I would simply buy him tools that would last for his lifetime, put them in a nice big toolbox for him, so when he got old enough to the point where he could appreciate them and start using them, he'd have pretty much everything that he could ever need. Then I got to thinking, by the time he gets old enough to do all that, I'm probably going to be too old to use all this fun stuff. So I've decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that all of this is his. Doesn't do any good to have all these tools if you don't have the skills, the knowledge, the abilities to use them, right? So we're filming a series, and it's going to be called Teaching Benjamin, Leaving a Legacy, where I'm going to take every bit of knowledge that I have up here about woodworking and tools and just general life skills, and we're going to put it on a YouTube channel, and I'm going to teach my grandson Benjamin everything I possibly can, everything I've learned, everything that I can recall about tools, their use, how to sharpen them, how to maintain them, what they're good for. I'm going to teach him all that stuff so that when the day comes where he can take on all these tools, he'll have the skill sets necessary to use them. So stay tuned. Going forward, we're going to get this series going. It's going to feature Benjamin, and we're going to teach him everything we possibly can that I wish I had learned from my grandfather.